Creating stunning images with AI is easier than ever. With tools like ChatGPT, Midjourney, and DALL-E, you can transform your ideas into breathtaking visuals in just moments. ChatGPT can help you brainstorm concepts and refine your vision. Just describe what you want, and it'll guide you through the creative process. Then, take that concept to Midjourney, where you can generate unique art styles and compositions that truly stand out. Finally, DALL-E takes it a step further, allowing you to create images from simple text prompts, bringing your imagination to life with incredible detail. The best part? You don't need to be a professional artist. With these AI tools, anyone can unleash their creativity and produce stunning visuals that captivate and inspire. So dive in and start creating. Creating stunning images is easier than ever with the help of ChatGPT. The first step? Crafting a creative prompt. Think of it as the blueprint for your visual masterpiece. For instance, you might ask ChatGPT for a prompt like a futuristic cityscape at sunset with neon lights. This sets the stage for vibrant colors and dynamic elements. Once you have your prompt, let ChatGPT work its magic. It can generate detailed descriptions that spark your imagination and guide your design choices. The key is to be specific and imaginative. The more vivid your prompt, the more captivating your image will be. So, dive into the world of creativity with ChatGPT, and watch as your ideas transform into stunning visuals in mere seconds. Feeding my prompt into Midjourney feels like opening a door to a world of creativity. As I type in my ideas, I can almost feel the anticipation building. Watch closely as the interface springs to life, transforming simple words into stunning visuals right before my eyes. It's fascinating to see how Midjourney interprets my thoughts, blending colors and shapes in ways I never imagined. Each iteration reveals a new layer of creativity, showcasing the power of AI in art. It's like witnessing creative magic in progress, where every click brings me closer to a breathtaking final piece. This is where imagination meets technology, and the results are nothing short of extraordinary. Experimenting with DALL-E unlocks a world of creative possibilities. By crafting a well-thought-out prompt, you can generate a diverse range of unique variations, each showcasing DALL-E's imaginative interpretations. For example, if you requested game hacker protagonist, one result might feature a sleek, neon-lit cyberpunk skyline, while another could present a more organic, nature-infused design. This is where the magic happens, watching how DALL-E transforms the same concept into entirely different artistic visions. It's like collaborating with an artist who thinks outside the box. So, dive in, experiment, and let DALL-E surprise you with fresh, unexpected perspectives. Combine the creativity of ChatGPT with the visual genius of Midjourney and DALL-E to push the boundaries of art. If you enjoyed this video, join us for more exciting explorations in data science. From uncovering the power of blogging with intelligence to generating ebooks, creating captivating content, and digital marketing, let your curiosity guide you into a world of endless possibilities. This is just the beginning of your journey. Thanks for watching. If you've had your own experiences with ChatGPT, Midjourney, and DALL-E, share them in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights on data science, AI, and career growth. Hit the notification bell so you never miss our next deep dive into the world of data science.